Welcome. If you're looking to stay on top of your Discord activity and never miss when something kicks off, you'll want to enable notification sounds for activity start. With the latest Discord update, the process is quick and easy, and I'm here to walk you through each step so you can get those alerts right when you need them. First things first, open up your Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and on the main screen. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of your window. You'll see your profile picture and username, and right next to that is a little gear icon. Go ahead and click on the gear icon. This will take you straight into your user settings. Once you're in the user settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications. It's usually along the left-hand sidebar, so scroll down if you need to until you spot it. Click on Notifications to open up all the sound and alert options Discord has to offer. Now here's where you can customize exactly how Discord notifies you. Under the Sound section, you'll see a list of different notification events. Find the option labeled Activity Start. This is the setting that controls whether you hear a sound when a new activity begins in your Discord server. To enable it, simply toggle the switch next to Activity Start. When the switch turns on, you'll know the sound is enabled. From now on, whenever an activity kicks off, like a game session or a group event, you'll hear a notification sound, making sure you're always in the loop and ready to join in. That's all there is to it. With this feature turned on, you'll never miss out when your friends start something new on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Discord experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.